This is a FASTA file. It stores nucleotide sequences. It's basically a text file with a standard header. You can open it in Notepad, but biosoftware makes it readable. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's sequence it. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common FASTA Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. FASTA files are plain text bioinformatics files containing nucleotide or protein sequences in the widely used FASTA format. Each entry has a description line starting with a greater than symbol, followed by lines of sequence characters representing DNA, RNA, or amino acid residues. FASTA files use a simple text format where each sequence begins with a header line prefixed by the greater than character containing sequence identifiers and descriptions. Subsequent lines contain sequence data using standard IUPAC nucleotide or amino acid letter codes. National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, maintains the integrity of the FASTA specification through NCBI BLAST. The system can open the file as plain text, but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows may identify the file, but understanding its content requires the program that uses the data. To open this specific FASTA file, right-click your file and select Open With. If NCBI BLAST is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your FASTA file isn't cooperating, don't worry. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, viewing the sequence. Open the FASTA file in any text editor to view the raw sequence headers and data. For a more informative view, use a bioinformatics tool such as UGENE or SnapGene Viewer, which displays sequences with annotations, color coding, and graphical visualization features. Next, analyzing sequences. Import the FASTA file into BLAST at the NCBI website to search for similar sequences in public databases. Paste the sequence into the BLAST search interface or upload the file directly. Results identify homologous sequences and provide alignment and statistical analysis. Finally, handling large files. For large multi-sequence FASTA files with thousands of entries, use command line tools like scikit or BioPython to filter, search, and manipulate sequences efficiently. These tools handle genome-scale FASTA files that may be too large for text editors or graphical viewers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.